Hello dear traders, you are on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. Investors are trying to get the euro back to its previous level in spite of the anticipated dovish rhetoric of the European Central Bank. Moreover, the euro rally has another chances to kick in next week. So what is this outlook based on? Let's watch a video calendar on InstaForex TV channel. Firstly, look at the factor that raised uncertainty around the whole European economy, Brexit. Market participants are awaiting the outcome of Tuesday's UK Parliament vote regarding the deal with Brussels. However, for some illogical reason, the pound reacted with growth to all the previous failed attempts to solve this issue. Therefore, we highly recommend not to count on this event in your trading and remain just a viewer. Besides, there will be another, more clear and predictable trading option at the same time after the Conference Board publishes its US Consumer Confidence Index. The reading is expected to decline to its 8-month low of 126.0. If this pessimistic forecast gets confirmed, the greenback will be selling off. The falling sentiment of consumers who the US economy is based on assures the Fed to be cautious about its further rates hikes. One day later, on Wednesday, the preliminary data regarding the pace of the American economy's expansion in the fourth quarter of 2018 will be released. Most likely, the GDP index will show a slowdown in the pace of growth to 2.8%. A bit later, the results of the Federal Open Market Committee's meeting will be out. Obviously, the fund rate will remain unchanged at 2.50%. Traders are more interested to hear the Fed's representative's comments, the estimate of the current state of the country's economy, forecasts, as well as the outlook regarding the further Fed's rate hikes. If the regulator gives pessimistic forecast and predicts the dovish rhetoric, the US dollar is going to be sold off. On the other hand, the euro will get a chance to strengthen amid its rivals' weakness. A part of the listed events, we suggest you to look at the following reports of the next trading week's first half. The Bank of Japan meetings minutes together with the Dallas Fed's report on manufacturing business index will open the next weekly session. On Tuesday, traders will analyze the trade balances from New Zealand and Switzerland, as well as the state of Spain's labor market. Wednesday will offer more important events to consider. Investors will look at the inflation data from Australia and Germany. Meanwhile, the IDP Employment Change Index is to be published in the United States. Furthermore, the beginning of the US-China negotiations is likely to have an impact on the traders' risk appetite. The safe haven assets demand may rise. You are watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.